Your job title is now irrelevant. The AI automation has begun. In the next 12 months, 5 skills will disappear. If you're still relying on these, you need to change. Now, welcome to Profit Prompt, where we bring the unfiltered truth. This channel is not for those who want easy news. We are here to help you command AI, control your wealth. Hit subscribe now if you're ready for the truth. The first skill gone is basic data entry and file sorting. AI doesn't get tired, makes 0 mistakes, and is 100 times cheaper. If your job is copy-paste or simple organization, consider it finished. The second skill, basic blog posts and generic product copy. ChatGPT and Gemini already own this. No one pays for good enough content anymore. The market only rewards breakthrough content. Template-based graphic design is dead. If you are simply swapping colors or text on an existing Canva template, Midjourney and other AI tools do it in 5 seconds. Basic language translation between common languages is completely automated. Do not charge for translation unless it's high-level specialization. Legal, technical, medical. The final skill, simple debugging and basic code functions. Tools like GitHub Copilot are doing this better and faster than any entry-level coder. But do not panic. Only one skill will save you. Prompt engineering. This is the ultimate key to unlocking profit from these very tools. On Profit Prompt, we teach you how to master the prompt and make money. Remember, you are not a victim. You are the commander. Subscribe now for next week's video on 5 AI tools that are making me money right now. Thanks for watching.